Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can check your RAM on Windows 11. So for that you have to go to your this PC or your file explorer. From there you have to right click on your this PC and click on properties. Once you have done that, it will show you the installed RAM on your computer and how much of its is usable. So basically if you are using a 64-bit operating system, it will almost be usable. As you can see, in my case I have a 64-bit operating system and it is using 7.87 GB of the total 8 GB. But if you use a 32-bit Windows, then it will show more or less. So it is preferred that you use 64-bit operating system if your computer hardware supports it. And once you have checked that, you can check another thing of your RAM. So in that case you have to right click on start and click on task manager. In here you can go to performance and click on memory. It will show you how much memory it is currently consuming and how much is currently available, and it will also show you your RAM speed, which is showing, for my case it is showing 24 megahertz, and also it is showing me how much slots it has used. So if you have bought a 32 or 24 or 26 100 megahertz RAM and see that your RAM is working in 2133 megahertz, then in task manager, then all you have to do is go to your BIOS settings and turn on XMP profile or DOCP profile. In that case, after that you will if you turn on your computer and open task manager and go to performance, you will see that it will show that your RAM is working on the on the maximum megahertz it can run. So a lot of people make this mistake that they buy a higher frequency RAM and use it in lower mode without even knowing. So you can do that. You can check it from this memory option and you can check if your RAM is working in the highest frequency or not. So that's how you can basically check RAM on Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.